Introducing the 2020 Toyota RAV4. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Handle life's twists and turns with confidence in this responsive, sporty RAV4. With advanced safety tech, multiple driving modes to choose from, a smooth ride, and compact SUV versatility, you'll be ready for whatever lies ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler, stability control. Optimize your driving experience in this rugged yet refined RAV4. Our team of courteous professionals will help you make the most of your vehicle search. Kick it off with a fun, easy, and informative test drive.